This is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Learn Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rocky Yakub, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to install and open Telegram on PC or laptop. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Telegram on PC. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to download and install Telegram on laptop or on computer or on PC. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your browser. So once you open up your browser, come to the address bar from the top right here and type in Telegram, then press enter. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on the first result right here, Telegram Messenger. So it's going to take you to the official page of Telegram. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to Telegram for PC. Click on that. Then you have to scroll down. Make sure you click on Get Telegram for Windows 64-bit. Or better still, if your window is not up to 64-bit, make sure you click on Portable version of the app. So immediately you click on it, then it's going to prepare your download folder from the top right here, just like what you see right here. So after a successful download, click on the app to run the setup. So you can access from the web page. Then right here you have to choose your language, so I'm going to put it in English language. Then click on OK. Then right here click on next, and click on next. Then click on install. Then after a successful install the app, then just click on launch. So after a successful install, then uncheck this, then click on finished. So you are going to have the app icon on your PC, just like what you see right here. Okay, then I can simply click on the icon and press enter key on my keyboard just to run the setup. Then click on start messaging. Then scan from mobile Telegram, open Telegram on your phone. Go to setting, device, link, desktop. Then scan this image to your login. So that is just the instruction. So what I'm going to do is to head over to my phone. Alright, from my phone right here, what I need to do is to make sure I head over to my Telegram. Right here, I'm going to click on my Telegram. Then I have to make sure I click on this three stroke right here. Then I'll have to make sure I locate settings. Then I have to make sure I locate device. Then I'll make sure I click on link desktop device. Then I can simply place the QR code like this. Then I will need to enter the cloud password. Then I'll click on submit. Boom. So it will successfully log me in. So I can simply minimize. So I can simply maximize. So it's as simple as that. So you have your Telegram successfully installed on your PC. So this is how to install Telegram on PC, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Telegram topics. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.